how to set gaming refresh rate to 60 Hz or 120 Hz on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in settings, scroll down and click on advanced features. After click on advanced features, scroll down and click on game booster settings. After click on game booster settings, scroll down and click on gaming motion smoothness. So if you want to set gaming motion smoothness 60 Hz, so click on 60 Hz. You will see gaming motion smoothness is set on 60 Hz. If you want to set gaming motion smoothness 120 Hz, click on 120 Hz. After click on 120 Hz, you will see gaming motion smoothness is set on 120 Hz. After select 60 Hz and 120 Hz, go back to home screen. So that's how you can set gaming refresh rate to 60 Hz or 120 Hz on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.